Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll discuss about logical operator, okay, in SQL, because this is very important to know that how logical operator used in SQL. What is logical operator? So logical operator is nothing but a operator. You can use this operator to filter your query, filter your data set, okay, filter your data based on some condition. So in SQL or an AND are logical condition operators used to combine multiple condition in a query, okay, and especially in where having clause. Mainly nothing but it's nothing but a logical operator query to filter out your data set, your data with some based on some condition, okay. So what is an operator? Returns true if only if all conditions are true, okay. Like if you use an operator, if you use an operator and you have set 4 or 5 or 3 condition, so if all the conditions are true, then it will return true, otherwise it will false, it will return nothing. When used when multiple conditions must be true, must be met, okay, otherwise it will not giving any output. So what is or operator? Or it returns true if at least one condition is true, okay. If you put 5 or 6 or 3 condition, and if at least one condition if it's true, then it will return true, okay. You don't go for they don't go for the other, check the other condition. You go for check the other condition. But in case of an operator, if the first condition is false, they don't go for the check the other condition, okay. So I have written over there true and false. If first condition true and then second condition false, return false. If first condition true or false, return true. As in case of um, or in the second one, true or false, return true. It is or, and the first one is for and, true and false because one condition is false. That's why it will return false. In case of or, at least one condition is true, then it will return true, okay. We'll see over here with some example. Let me go to the MySQL server, and here is my data set. This is the data set: roll name, age name, marks, age, gender, states. First question is that the admin wants to list the states where students are either academically excellent, marks greater than 85, or very young, or age less than 80, but only if they are female. You have to give a condition that marks should be 85 or young, age less than 80. But if the female, okay, if they are female, it must be female. So you have to put and condition because it need and must be female. But here we need or because maybe marks either 85 or age below 18. We write this: student select star from student where marks greater than 85 or age less than 80 and gender female. If you run this query, then you will see that it will detect all the gender is female. There is no one is male because we put a condition is and. Yeah, if you change it or, then you will see this male also. You will see male also, male female also, okay. That's why this is work. If you put male or, so it can be any gender, male or female. If you put and, it will filter out the only female gender. The second question is find all students names who either scored below 60 and are age below 20 or who are from RJ. RJ হতে পারে, it can be from RJ state or they score below 60 and age below 20. So how is written this query? Select star from students where age below 20 or marks below 60. We have written over there that either scored below 60 or age below 20 because we read either. So we put or over here, or states RJ or state RJ and marks less than 50 and score below 50, okay, because we put n over here because this is the n written over here. If we filter out, then you will see this, okay. This is how you have to use an or operator. The third question is list all the uh, list the names of students who are not younger than 90, have scored more than 70, not from RJ. Okay, you will written over there the condition AC. Where for the condition written over who are not younger than 90, so age not younger than 90 and scored more than 70, so marks from it's younger not younger than, so you have to write greater than 90. I written it was wrong. You'll see that age is greater than 90 and marks greater than 70, written over that. Younger not younger than 90 means not below 19, above 19, so you have to use put an operator. And have score more than 70 are not from RJ JG. This is how you can write and an or operator in SQL. If you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up, and please if you have any query, write in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel also. If you come, we will see you next video. Thank you.